The wedding took place on Wednesday, 29th in July 1981 at St. Paul's Cathedral in London. The wedding was called the Wedding of the Century. There were more than 715 million people that watched the wedding. There were 3,500 people in St. Paul's Cathedral when they were married. Her dress was worth 29,208 pounds, and it had 10,000 pearls on it. Diana was reported to have spilled perfume all over the dress. This is one of the 27 wedding cakes that were made for them. It took bakers 14 weeks to make them all. This is one of the 27 wedding cakes that were made for them. It took the bakers 14 weeks to bake them all. Fun fact: Prince Henrik was invited to the wedding. The United Kingdom had a holiday on the day to mark the wedding. The ring she wore on the wedding day was about 30,000 pounds worth. During the wedding, Diana said Charles' name wrong. She said Philip Charles Arthur George instead of Charles Philip Arthur George. The couple separated 1992 and divorced 1996.